In this video, I want to show you how to calculate the acreages for the file for the study area what you created, and then export it into an Excel file so that you can actually do further calculations, so that you can use it for your next objective, which is the stormwater calculator. So here is the study area file what we created, and you can right click and open the attribute table. And in the attribute table, you can actually see the values. The value corresponds to the land cover class. And say the 11 is the open water. And it tells how many counts, how many pixels of the land cover class is there. This is the count. So we know each pixel in the Landsat image is like 30 by 30 meters, so 900 square meter. So we need to multiply this count with 900 to get the area in square meters. So what I do is, just like an Excel file, I can go and add the field. I want to add a column called this a area or acreage, and then I will make it as a double. Okay, and then my area column is created here. So you can actually see this one. And then what I will do is I will go ahead, click on it and open the field calculator. So in my field calculator, so I will select the count. So count multiplied by 900 will give me the area in the square meters. Okay, so now it is calculated and it is populated here. So now if you want to export this into a text file, you can go here and export it. So I'm calling it as a export. I'm giving a default name here, and then you can actually choose what type of file you want. I will make it as a text file. So I had it one here. I will just overwrite it. Save. Just give another name here, Pro Outlook 1. Let me give another name for this one. Go export. Call it as a zip text file. So it is asking, do you want me to add the table to the current map? So if you add it, it will be coming here, but I want to open this in the Excel file. So I got my new text file came here. So you can open the same text file in the Excel format for Excel software, and it will be showing up like this. So you have the values, and these your areas what you calculated. The values corresponds to the other Excel file, the land cover classes. So you can actually look the values, what the values corresponds to each of the land cover classes, and you can actually match it. So probably you can match these rows, and you can actually create your final Excel table. So with this Excel table, you can actually calculate the percentages. So if you add everything, this is the total area for the study area, and what percent of it is the open waters, or what percent of it is a high intensity developed land, or a medium intensity developed land. So you can calculate all those percentages, and you can convert it into acreages or anything you want.